Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to make your videos look more professional by blurring the background in InShot, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create that awesome blurred background effect step by step. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen and open it. Now tap onto the video option and choose one video that you want to edit. Next, here you can find the option of canvas. Simply select it. Here you can see options for different aspect ratios. Choose the one that fits your video the best. Now to blur the background, tap onto the background option, which is right here. And here you can find the blur effect. Simply tap onto one blur effect that you want to add. You can adjust the intensity of the blur by using the given options. After applying the blur effect, you can also add more edits to your video like usual. Once you are happy with it, simply tap onto share and save the video. And there you have it. That's how you can easily blur the background in InShot to give your videos a professional, cinematic feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.